What's going on, 100 Gang? It's your boy 100 Gang Nate, back at it again with a new video today. And if you've noticed anything, you see this big GoPro on my head. Well, today I will be going to the city of Atlanta to give you guys a POV of the nice neighborhoods and some of the rough neighborhoods and show y'all how we do in Atlanta a little bit. You know, shouts out to Race Car Friends because he actually gave me this GoPro and I'm about to put it to some good use. I'm gonna be looking like a straight idiot, but this is how we get the job done. You know, construction workers wear their hard hat, and me, since I'm a YouTuber, I wear the GoPro. Now we out here with the Big Z today, and if you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC and also subscribe to this channel. And the MOC consists of me, Race Car Friends, Q the Chaotic, and Blueprint When I Lead. Yes sir, we about to go hit this road and give y'all this POV view. Hopefully it works out because this is my first time. We gonna see. Let's go. So guys, hopefully y'all can see. So right now we're driving, we're going past the airport. That's Atlanta Airport over there. I don't know. This is my first time wearing the headset, so hope y'all can see. There's an airport over there. You know, biggest airport in the world, Hartsfield Jackson. You know what I'm saying? It's right here. To be honest, it's kind of in the middle of the hood. So if you're on any of these exits, Virginia Avenue, pretty much all the way down through the city of Atlanta, make sure you're ready so you ain't got to get ready. And that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna speak on that. Uh-oh, we got a Challenger right here. Do he want smoke? Do he want smoke? Nah, he don't want smoke. He on the phone. Oh yeah, man, we're just cruising right now. I'm just giving y'all a tour of where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my city, you know. It has its bad parts, it has its good parts, probably like any other city, but I love it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like over here, that's like the international airport. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. I got this thing on my head. I'm looking crazy right now. But Virginia Avenue, stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. That's all I'm gonna say. Right now y'all can see that I'm at like almost a half a tank, right? We're gonna see how much gas I got left when I get home. Look, he can't drive. Sylvan Road. Make sure you stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. Off this exit right here, we got a famous restaurant called Papados. You probably hear a lot of rappers talk about it. That's off of Virginia Avenue. It's very, very, very good seafood. Like one of the best. If you go to Papados or Spun Divots, my bad, that's what it's, Spin Divots. That's one of the best. You know, very good. They season it well. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I know if any of y'all heard the artist Young Thug, he from Cleveland Avenue. We're gonna get off at Cleveland Avenue so I could show y'all some of the parts that I used to be in myself. And as well, this is Young Thug hood. You know, this is where he from. Guys, so we're continuing our drive. We got a C8 right there. Look at that C8. Let's see if he wants smoke. Let's get on the highway, see if he wants some smoke. Let's see if he wants some smoke. He don't want no smoke either. Man, ain't nobody want smoke. So I just got to holler at my partner Tree, and he said that there's gonna be a meet today at 5:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and link up with them at 5:30. But for right now, I'm gonna take y'all through the city. We got this Mercedes, he wants smoke. Let's give it to him. Yes sir, let's give it to him. Big Z, you must not know me. Man, people be pulling up on the Big Z like it's a chump or something. Like, bro, we ain't, hey, listen, 100 Gang, we ain't no chumps. We ain't no chumps. Like, you understand me? Understand me? We ain't no chumps. All we do is get money and smoke people and clap people up. Y'all know I'm the fastest in the MOC. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. Y'all know this is facts. Stop playing, man. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, if you don't know, don't drive with me, because I drive crazy. Y'all hear me? I'm coming. Pause. hey, y'all ain't finna get me. But yeah, right now, passing University Street, Pryor Street. Stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. Like I said, all these cities that I'm, these little exits, these little I guess you would call them, like these little hoods on every exit. Stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. You know what I mean? Atlanta is a beautiful place, but it's not sweet. Honey gang, we in this traffic right now, so we might as well give the people a show, right? Might as well give them a little show, you know. Might as well burn up a little gas, you feel me? You know what I mean? Don't get over in front of me, you feel me? But alright. So right now I'm about to take you guys to a place where I used to work, and it's called Edgewood. Now the crazy thing about Edgewood is somebody on Edgewood gets shot or killed every week, unfortunately. That's what comes with working on Edgewood or living by Edgewood. It's calmed down a lot, to say the least. Can you imagine somebody getting killed every week and they're saying that's calm? Yeah, but it's calmed down a lot. But to be honest with you, still wild outside. It's still dangerous, so you got to stay ready before you get ready. But I'm gonna take y'all down there and show y'all parts of the city where I used to work at. And I used to do, when I was over there, I used to do security, armed security. I used to be protecting the buildings out there, you know, so you have to be really on your guard, because, you know, shootouts can happen at any moment in that environment. That's unfortunate, but that's just the way it goes. So once we get out of this traffic and we get to that exit, I'll put y'all on. Driving right now, we got this Scat Pack right here. Does he want smoke? You think the Scatty wants some smoke, or the Scatty don't want no smoke? He keep trying to go up further, so I don't think he want no smoke. My guy, Tree Body, I feel like he probably won't smoke. That's the dude that I just showed y'all with the blue and white Hellcat. I don't know if y'all gonna see it on video, because like I said, this first time I'm doing this with the POV. But if y'all saw that, he'll probably, if I go to the car meet at 5:30, which I probably will, he'll probably want some smoke. I ain't gonna lie to you. He probably gonna want to race. And if you don't want to race, it'd just be a good time looking at the cars. Right now, getting off the exit, and we're going to Edgewood. Now, this is the part of the city right here that I told y'all that somebody out here get killed every week. I used to work. I'm finna show y'all where I used to work right here. I used to work right on this strip. If y'all look backwards back there, I don't know if y'all saw that. That's a lot of homeless people back there. So the area is very filled with, you know, violence, drugs, parties. You know, obviously it's a club strip, but it's very, very like historical. Got a lot of historical stuff out here. Most people, when they come from out of town, they come to this strip. And the reason is because it has so much history. You know, it got slutty vegan food for the vegans out there. Shout us out to Cute Chaotic. They got like a few clubs where you can do hookah. You know, the girls like to do hookah. Got tattoo shops. Is this place right here called Fin and Feathers. I used to be right here all the time. You see this guy armed guard right here? That used to be me at some point. You see how he checking that girl right now? He probably checking her for something else, but I used to be up there. And we got this other place right here called Crew. That's a big like hookah bar. You know, down on this street right here, you'll find all the bad activity you want to find. So be ready, so you ain't gotta, so stay ready, so you ain't gotta get ready. We got some Jamaican food down there if y'all like the Jamaican patties. I'm finna show y'all slutty vegan. And also down this street right here, this is where Martin Luther King used to preach, at that church right there. It's called Ebenezer. He used to preach down there. I'm gonna take y'all about slutty vegan right here, so y'all can see. Shouts out to Cute Chaotic. And also, if y'all know about Honey Gang Clothing, well, Honey Gang Clothing, go ahead and get you some brand. I used to be out here actually selling my clothes. Like when I sell my clothes, I used to stand on these streets right here, and this is where I sell my clothes at. So at a point in time, you could come out here, you see a Honey Gang Nate on the side of the corner hustling. And I was actually making a good grip until Slutty Vegan, they got jealous because they were selling some little hoodies, and I guess they weren't selling them no more because I was selling so much, and they told me to get off their block. So I left. And that's basically what happened with that. But after we get past Slutty Vegan, I'm gonna show y'all like some of my like dream homes that I used to have in the city and stuff like that, stuff that I wanted to, you know, buy and do. I'm gonna take y'all around the streets, because right now y'all seeing a good part of the hood. I'm gonna take y'all to the rich side. You know, I know y'all don't want to just see all hood stuff, so I'm gonna take you to the rich folk stuff. Right here, Slutty Vegan. You see this yellow building right here? Slutty Vegan. There it is, right there. Yes, sir. If you're new to the city, that's a place where you can go get you some fine girls. If you're looking for some fine girls, because you know girls love trendy stuff. So all the guys, you come to Atlanta, make sure you stop in Slutty Vegan, and you're gonna see a lot of fine girls in there if you single. You feel me? Let's go. Y'all hear that? We in the bridge right now, and that was a Maserati. You know, generally I don't have nothing to say bad about cars, but don't buy no Maserati. You gonna lose half your value in 1 year, champ. All right, guys, we got the Maserati right here. I done took the headgear off. Let's see if this Maserati wants to smoke. Let's see what he's talking about. Let's see if he wants to smoke. Oh yeah, yes sir. Hey, he got a Pikachu in the seat. Oh, he trying to rev? Yes sir, let's get it. Maserati smoke. Oh yes sir. Yeah, so he doing his thing. He look like he seem like he going somewhere, so I ain't gonna mess with him. I don't think he want that ZL1 smoke, no way. Now we are entering the rich side of the town. This is pretty much, if you're wealthy, you can tell by the golf course over there. I don't know if y'all can see that. You pretty much tell by the environment how it's totally switched. This is where you live if you got some bread, you know. This city used to be so prestigious back in the day, and unfortunately Atlanta has changed a lot, so now it's kind of turned dangerous, I would say, because it's like a lot more home robberies and stuff like that. But back in the day, this used to be a place where very, very wealthy, prestigious people would come live, and they still do, but you got to be more on your pivot. Nowadays you got to be looking around, keep your head on a swivel, because out here, you know, like I said, times has changed. But this is the house right here. I'm not sure what's going on with my GoPro right now. It looked like it froze up. I don't know how much content was actually lost, but I was basically telling y'all that we're in a rich neighborhood, and this is like a house that I always really wanted. It's very beautiful, as y'all can see, very huge, and we about to roll out because I don't want nobody coming outside being like, police! So yeah, but this used to be my dream home back in the day. Still a beautiful home. Y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think. Yes sir. Y'all, the Big Z is out here looking straight up beautiful, and the GoPro had a little misfunction. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe button. If you've been with the channel, I really, really appreciate it. And if you like cars like these, man, go ahead and join the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Q the Chaotic, and Blueprint One Ali. Let's go.